Welcome to Aeronet's visual simulation training program for the Airbus A320. The A320 navigation system provides the crew and various aircraft components with data throughout the flight. The main groups within the navigation system are the Air Data and Inertial Reference System, or ADIRS, which utilizes 3 Air Data and Inertial Reference Units, or ADIRUs, which supply air data information such as airspeed, altitude, angle of attack, and temperature, and inertial reference information such as attitude, track, heading, accelerations, and aircraft position. The standby instruments are used as a backup if data from the ADIRS is lost. Dependent systems provide navigation data using ground installations. These components are 2 VORs, 2 DMEs, 2 ADFs, and 2 ATC transponders. The landing aids are comprised of 2 ILSs and 1 marker system. Independent systems, such as radio altitude, the weather radar, the ground proximity warning system, and the traffic collision avoidance system, provide data without reference to any ground installation. The Air Data and Inertial Reference System supplies air data and inertial reference data to various aircraft components for navigation and aircraft control. Control and monitoring of the 3 ADIRUs is through the single ADIRS control display unit located on the overhead panel, or through the multipurpose control and display units, or MCDUs. The ADIRS CDU has switches and a display window, providing control and monitoring of each ADIRU. The standby instruments used as a backup in the event data from the ADIRS is lost or unreliable are located on the center instrument panel and center windshield post. The radio altimeter height indications are displayed on the primary flight displays, and a synthetic